Hey everybody, Ben Engelman here with Friedrich Realty and the Engelman team, and just wanted to give you a quick weekly and monthly update I'll do the monthly update for February of 2024, and it's today is March 4th, 2024. So jump right into it. Got a lot to cover here in a quick time, but hopefully this helps so you can see what's going on here going into the end of the first quarter here for 2024. So starting off, just one tick down with 67 active for this week. For the month, we had 41 pending. That's 10 more than we had last year at this exact same time, which is good news. That means the market is definitely strong. But when you look at active listings, we had 57 last year. So, 10 up from there, 10 more pendings, and then 23 closed. If you compare that to last year, we had 22 closed. So really strong signs right there. When you look at what's on the market for resale, so at 42, it took us all the way last year until the end of May to get to over 40 resale homes on the market. So that's a good sign of just houses coming on the market, staying on the market a little bit longer. As when we get into the graphs here shortly, I'm going to show you exactly how long things are staying on the market, because it is higher than normal. So, or that not normal, but than what we have seen the last couple of years. But when you get the breakdown here, 4 townhomes, 2 condos, 36 single family homes. And if you remember videos from before, when you look at 36 single family homes, it took all the way to that same time frame at the end of May in order to get to the 36 mark. So that's not a bad thing there. And then you're looking at 22 new construction. This time last year, we were looking at 24 new construction. So that number had come down because there was very little on the market. So from January into the end of February, beginning of March, we went from 33 down to 24. So a lot of houses sold. We're still seeing them come on and off the market. 2 new ones have come on the market. A couple have sold as well, but I think that's a good sign. The city council did move forward on the tax abatement. So I'm going to have more details of that. That'll be a completely separate video. But once I get all the details locked down, and I'm going to make a spreadsheet showing you what the actual savings will be. It'll be a 5-year scaled tax abatement up to $500,000. So that's just the baseline of what it's going to look like. I'm going to break that actually down for you guys. So be on the lookout for that here, hopefully in the next week or two. And so you can share that out with your friends and family, so you can see if that's the right move for you, moving forward, if you can't find something resale that you like. All right. So let's flip over to the monthly stats here. All right. When we're looking at active listings, we're going back 6 years now. All right. So this green is going to be 2024. And as you can see on active listings, we are at a little bit higher. You can still see that we are still a third of where we actually should be. So with active listings. So we are still very short on listings. This next month and then into the second quarter is really going to tell the story of what's actually happening. Because when you look at how many houses are closing, we're staying right on line. The orange line there is 23. We're staying right on line with what we did in 2023. But if listings stay on longer and more listings get listed, obviously days on market will go up and whatnot. So days on market, you can see that sharp increase here to over 50 days. Totally normal still. Over 50 days is not a lot of time for a normal market, but if we see that to get up into the 100 mark, that's when things start to shift a little bit and houses stay on longer. And it can start to shift into a buyer's market. Right now, still definitely a seller's market. If you come down here to the absorption rate, still below 2 months. So if we can get in between that 2 and 3 month, mark here, and if we got it into 3 and 4 months of absorption, we'd still be I think it would be in a little bit better shape. And then when you're looking at your sale price to list price ratio, not bad. So it's nothing like that we saw in 21 and 22 to where things were just going like hotcakes, but still not a bad place to be between that 95 and 100%. So everything is going to depend on how move-in ready your house is. So the DIY phase kind of started to phase out about 4 or 5 years ago, and people want move-in ready more than they want to fix something up. So just be aware of that when you're getting ready to sell your house. That's when have us out there, have us take a look at it, see what needs to be done, what doesn't need to be done, where to spend your money, where not to spend your money. Even if you're just going to do a remodel project, whether you're going to be doing an addition, a bathroom refresh, flooring refresh, paint, something like that. We have designers. We can help you out with a lot of those things, but use this as a resource, because you don't want to be spending money and then not have that return anything, or you want that to return as much as possible when you do go to sell, even if it's a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. It'd be a good thing to just have us out and take a look. So use this as a resource, like I said. Other than that, excited where the market's going, excited for the weather. It was nice being able to wear shorts here. A little bit windy, I know, but either way, things are moving, and I'm excited about where the market's going here in Central Iowa. So if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.